Hey guys, welcome to the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on vibrate on ring whenever you're getting incoming call. Now, this should be turned on by default, but for some reason, if it is turned off or not working, you want to follow these steps. So, the very first thing is you want to ensure the phone is not on silent or do not disturb. So, you're going to turn that on. Now, if you have a silent button, you also want to press and hold that action button that will unsilent it. You can also go into your setting of your iPhone and then find your sounds and haptic and ensure that again it's not on silent mode. Now after that, you want to go down to ringtone here, and once you go to ringtone, you want to click on haptics. Now if this is selected to be on none, it will not vibrate on ring whenever you're getting an incoming call on your iPhone. So you need to either select the standard default vibration, which you can feel when you select that, or you can select any of these standard ones that are available. And also you can also create your custom one by tapping on the screen at a certain beat. If you like to do that, you can stop here and save it, name it, all right, and whatever that is, and you can utilize that as well. So you can go with the default or any of these, and if you do go with any of these, it will vibrate on ring just like that. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please click the like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.